Now, if you want to make any changes to the sheet, you can do that. You can make any changes you want, add things in, remove things. You might say it's too cluttered and you want to reduce a lot of it. Then you can. It's quite easy to do that if you have a bit of an idea of what you're doing. And if you don't, well, you could go to Claude AI and then ask it, and it'll tell you what to do. Very good. But if you accidentally remove something or you want to make changes, this is how you fix it. Now let's see here in A6. You see the word verse is not in A6 at all. What's in, it's calling it from another cell, which is A654, which is way down the Google sheet, and that's where all the formulas are and other scripts and codes and formulas and things. So if you were to accidentally delete something, now you get this warning, heads up warning, you're about to edit, do you really want it? If you cancel, then you don't lose anything. And if you say yes, and you say you've lost something there, and oh, how do I get it back? Well, it's very easy. If you look at these cells, it's calling it from consecutive cells down, 655, 666, 657, 58, 59, blank, 661. So all you've got to do is, well, you can type in equals 660, or you just put your cursor there and drag it down. And it replaces it. So it's as easy as that. So if you delete something accidentally, it's no big problem. Now, the formulas, if you want to make changes and remove things, you can. But here are the formulas, 547 onwards. So warning, below is the section that holds the formulas. Do not change this without saving a copy. So it's a good idea to save copies and before you make any changes. But here's all the workings of it. Here's your column on Bibles. And then Web Tools. And then AI. And then the second column, which is the Greek and Hebrew. That's it here, all the workings. And commentaries. So if you wanted to, you could select a whole bunch of these and just click delete, and they're gone. And then once you've done that, what you then need to do is you might say recalibrate these by putting the right cell number in here and then dragging it down like that to replace, and it will repopulate these cells with the list that the new list that you now have down the document. Then there's commentaries column, and then the dictionaries column. The theology column, the writings, the atlas, and the book studies, etc. I mean, just some other stuff there. But anyway, that's how you make changes, and so feel free to make whatever changes you want to it, but make sure you save a copy or 2 copies before you make any changes.